Every Sunday I spend 2 hours in the kitchen and I don't have to think about food for the rest of the week. The 2-hour meal prep formula. 1 protein, 2 carbs, 3 vegetables. Cook in parallel, oven plus stovetop plus instant pot. Containers ready before you start. Start with your protein. Season and roast a big batch of chicken or beef. While it cooks, do everything else. Protein takes longest, start it first. Batch your carbs. 1 big pot of rice or quinoa. Roast a tray of sweet potatoes. These become the base for 10+ meals. Chop all your vegetables at once. Pre-chop everything before cooking anything. Bag them by meal or by type. 15 minutes of chopping equals 5 meals of veggies. The weekly meal plan sheet. Write out all 5 dinners before you shop. Prevents buying things you don't need. Pair with a printable meal planner for best results. Grab our free weekly meal planner printable, link in description. New tips every Monday, Wednesday, Friday.